Hello viewers, tutorial 8 question 7, and we're solving the trig equation 16 times tan of 3x minus 2 plus 1 equals 33, and this is in degrees. Okay, so if it's in degrees, then this formula from the formula sheet needs a bit of a modification. Pi is for radians. If we're in degrees, that should be 180. Now we need to rearrange this equation so we've got tan of bracket equals number. So subtracting 1 from both sides gives us 16 tan of 3x minus 2 equals 32 degrees, and if we divide that by 16 we get tan of 3x minus 2 equals 2. Okay, so what's our W? W is the bracket, which is 3x minus 2, and if we solve that for x, we'll get add 2 to both sides. That's W plus 2 equals 3x, so divide by 3. Okay, so that equation now becomes, with that bracket being W, tan W equals 2, so W is therefore inverse tangent of 2, which is your theta, which is, if we calculate that, what do we end up with there? We get 63.4 degrees. So now that we've got our value of theta, we're ready for the table. So we've got a column of n values, we've got a column of W working, we've got a W answer, and we've got an x, which is W plus 2 over 3. So for n equals 0, if we put in n equals 0 into n times 180 plus theta, we get n times 180 is 0 times 180, n is 0, remember, so that will just give us 63.4. So we've already worked out what W is already for this part, and then we need to work out x, which is going to be W, so 63.4 plus 2 is 65.4 divided by 3 gives us 21.8 degrees. For n equals 1, we've got 1 times 180 plus 63.4, which gives us 243.4. And if we add 2 to that and then divide by 3, we get 81.8. For n equals 2, we have 2 times 180 plus 63.4, which is 423.4. So add 2 and divide by 3, that gives us 141.8. And for n equals 3, we've got 3 times 180 plus 63.4, which gives us 603.4. So add 2 to that, we get 605.4, and divide by 3, we get 201.8. Now notice that we're only interested in solutions between 0 and 180 degrees. We've already gone past 180 degrees, so 201.8 is too big. These three are all between 0 and 180, and let's check that there isn't a sneaky solution between 0 and 21.8. So let's make sure that we've got them all. So let's backtrack to negative 1 as an n. So this is going to be negative 1 times 180 plus 63.4. So this is going to be negative 180 plus 63.4 is negative 116.6. If we add 2 to that, we get something negative. So this is going to be negative. Add 2 to that, divide by 3, that's certainly going to be negative, so it's certainly less than 0. So it's out of range, and therefore we're not really interested in that solution. Okay, thanks for watching. Over and out.